Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the Xumo app using Unlinked. The Unlinked method will work with any device running an Android operating system, be it on the TV box, Google TV, or Android TV. Now, I need to open the Unlinked app. If you don't have this app already, I suggest you go to the description box below. Find the link I've left there with the video tutorial showing you exactly how to download that app and install it on your Android TV, box, Google TV, or any device running Android OS. When you have that video completed, you've downloaded the Unlinked app, click on it to launch. When you're in, hit on the add new library. So this new library, you click on it and put in the library code. The library code we'll be using for this tutorial is a Fire Stick. So type in FIRESTICK. So Fire Stick. Ensure there's no space. If it's correct, hit enter. And you're welcome on this page where you click enter as well, and scroll down now on this new page into the application of choice. So we're looking for the Xumo TV app, and we click on it there and we'll find this download button. Launch the download button. Your download will begin shortly. Depending on your network, it may take a few seconds or a minute. When the download is complete, you find an install button. Click on the install button. It may come with some options. Click on the first one saying install app. When you hit install app, this application will be installed directly into your app library so you can enjoy. And if you enjoy the app and enjoy this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.